Have you ever wondered how modern cars prevent crashes before they even happen? Today, we're taking you inside the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, to see how they test front crash prevention systems, the cutting-edge technology that's saving lives on the road. IIHS is a leader in vehicle safety research, known for their rigorous testing of everything from airbags to crash protection. But today, we're focusing on something different: front crash prevention systems. These are the advanced safety systems designed to detect potential collisions and automatically apply the brakes before it's too late. According to recent studies, cars equipped with crash prevention technology have reduced rear-end crashes by 50% or more. But how are these systems actually tested, and how effective are they? Let's break it down. IIHS conducts several tests to measure how well these systems work. They start by driving a car toward a stationary or moving target. The goal? To see if the car's autonomous braking and collision warning systems activate in time to avoid a crash or at least minimize the impact. Front crash prevention systems use a combination of radars, cameras, and sensors to detect objects ahead of the vehicle. If the driver doesn't respond to warnings in time, the system can automatically apply the brakes. IIHS gives these systems one of three ratings: basic, advanced, or superior, depending on how effectively they prevent or reduce the speed of a crash. So, why does this matter to you? Front crash prevention isn't just a luxury feature, it's becoming a standard for vehicle safety. Many car manufacturers are now including these systems in their new models, and it's making a real difference on the road. Whether you're shopping for a new car or just interested in the latest in automotive safety, understanding how these systems work can help you make safer choices. A car with a high IIHS crash prevention rating could mean the difference between a collision and a close call. And there you have it, the inside scoop on how the IIHS tests front crash prevention systems. Want to see more car safety tests or learn about the newest safety features? Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Automobile Bell. Did you know that nearly 40% of all car accidents involve a crash with another vehicle? That's a staggering number, right? Today, we're diving deep into how safety tests aim to reduce those numbers and keep you safer on the road. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, here's the deal. Despite all the fancy technology and advancements in car design, many vehicles still perform poorly when it comes to real-world crash scenarios. I mean, it's pretty alarming. Manufacturers face a tough challenge in creating safer cars that can actually prevent accidents. They have to balance cost, technology, and design, all while making sure that their vehicles can stand up to the unexpected situations drivers face every day. We'll look into why some cars just don't cut it when it comes to crash prevention and what that means for you as a driver. It's crucial to understand these challenges so we can appreciate the importance of rigorous safety testing. Exploration/development now. Let's break down how the IIHS testing process actually works. First up, they run simulations using cutting-edge software to predict how a car will perform in different types of crashes. This is where the magic starts. But it doesn't stop there. They then take these simulations into the real world, performing actual crash tests to see how vehicles hold up under pressure. They mimic various scenarios, like a car suddenly stopping in front of you, and measure how well the car's technology responds. These evaluations play a huge role in shaping vehicle design and safety features. Manufacturers pay close attention to these tests because they can literally make or break a car's reputation in the market. By understanding the testing process, we can see how these standards push car companies towards innovation and improvement. Climax/key moment. Alright, here comes the exciting part. Let's talk about the surprising results of some recent tests. You won't believe which cars are excelling in crash prevention and which ones are falling short. Some vehicles are out there performing like champions, showcasing top-notch tech that can really help in avoiding collisions. On the flip side, there are others that just don't measure up, and that can be a little shocking. These ratings are so important for consumers like you because they can directly impact your driving experience and safety. Knowing which vehicles have the best ratings can save lives, and that's the bottom line.